Magandang tanghali sa mga kababayan ko. So guys, nandito po tayo ngayon kay Rafi Tulfo in action kasi
This Nigerian content creator known as Zombie got scammed out of 200,000 pesos for a house he never even got to live in because, well, it was a scam. Late December, he met a supposed landlord in Cavite and, excited to move in, handed over the money. But the move-in, it never happened.
kasi ngayon, meron po akong konting abala tungkol sa isang tao na nag-estafa sa akin na higit 200k pesos. Okay? Ito po ay para awareness para sa lahat. Alright? At saka, tara, let's see kung babalik ang pera ko.
3 months later, still no refund and completely ignored, Zombie turned to Rafi Tulfo in action.
Ngayon na, di ba nanonood ka? Nasaan ka ba? Ito yung camera ko. Ngayon na, send mo na. Huwag kang ano dyan, ito na. Yan, naghintay ako.
And while on the show, here's how he reacted as the landlord rolled out every excuse in the book.
I did promise talaga na ibabalik. Naloko din po kami ng kontraktor. Hindi po ako tumatakbo sa anumang obligasyon. Nagkaroon ako ng anak na nagkasakit.
Awag mo, ambit. Awag ganun. Awag mo. Oh, pasukin mo na. Naghintay ako, wala pa.
And the resolution he got from the program? Zombie is giving the scammer until April 15th to pay, otherwise, she will face charges.
Marami na yan eh. Wala na akong tiwala dun.
Ganito, Zombie, no? If we give her until April 15 to settle yung amount po na iyon, and come April 15 hindi pa rin na settle, then we will bring this to court, no? Yun na lang yung recourse natin.
Okay lang sa akin.